Good evening, guys. Good evening, and welcome to Gradeup. Before proceeding with the session, I would just like to quote that I'm not afraid of an army of lions. I'm not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep, but definitely I'm afraid of an army of sheep led by a lion. Yes, guys. तो अपने अंदर के शेर को अपने अंदर के लॉयन को जगाओ बिकॉज लॉयन की डिक्शनरी में हार जैसा कोई शब्द ही नहीं होता, फेलियर जैसा कोई शब्द ही नहीं होता. Yes, guys, today on 10th of August, the date today is 10th of August, right? And on 10th of August, every year we celebrate World Lion Day. World Lion Day. Yes, to mark the importance of this big cat in the animal world and in the whole world. Yes, the importance of lion. To mark the importance of lion, the big cat from the cat family, we celebrate World Lion Day every year on 10th of August. That is on today's date. All right, good evening, Sejal. Hi, Kusum, good evening. Hi, Ram. Hey, Afsha. Hey, Venus. Nilofer. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this part 7 of the Legal Booster series for our JMI and MH-CET law exams preparation for a better preparation of your JMI, Jamia Millia Islamia, and Maharashtra CET law exam. I'm Sarthak Sharma, your legal reasoning expert, and I welcome you all to this wonderful platform. You all are wonderful students, and this platform is equally wonderful. Today, also, I will be discussing 10 questions of legal reasoning, legal aptitude. Basically, legal aptitude includes legal reasoning as well as legal GK to boost up your preparation for the coming examination. The JMI examination is almost 1 week away from now. Today is 10th of August. On 17th, exactly 7 days after today, you are going to appear for our examination. So 7 is your lucky number. Today is part 7 of the session, and you have 7 days left for JMI law entrance test. 7 days left. MH said the date is not out yet, but probably it would be conducted in September 1st or second week. September 1st week, tentatively. All right, moving forward. Moving forward, guys. Yes, and JMI mock test. JMI mock test would be live soon, Sahil. Anyone have JMI mock test? All right, Sahil. Gradeup is offering a lot of mock tests on JMI as well as on a MH-CET pattern. Those mock tests are a part of the Gradeup green card, and you can get those mock tests by purchasing the Gradeup green card. It's at a very nominal cost, even below a price in thousand. It is in hundreds, not even in thousands. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. सर जेएमआई के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कराइए प्लीज. फैसल जो हम क्वेश्चंस करा रहे हैं वो जेएमआई के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ही हैं. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड गाइस, बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग देयर इज अ रिपीटर्स कोर्स. इट्स अ बाइलिंगुअल कोर्स. ये रिपीटर्स कोर्स क्लैट 2022 के लिए डिजाइन किया गया. इट इज स्पेसिफिकली डिजाइन फॉर दोज स्टूडेंट्स हु अपीयर्ड फॉर क्लैट 2021, बट certain ड्यू टू सर्टेन थिंग्स that went that went beyond their control and that came in their way, वो सक्सेसफुली क्लैट में किसी एनएलयू बर्थ को या अपनी या जो उनकी प्रेफरेबल एनएलयू सीट थी उसको उसको पाने में नाकामयाब रहे. बट दे हैव डिसाइडेड कि वो हार नहीं मानेंगे. दे हैव डिसाइडेड टू अपीयर फॉर क्लैट 2022 अगेन विद नॉट 100% बट विद 200%. अब उन्हें और बेटर देना है. यस, जो भी शॉर्ट कमिंग्स रही हैं आपके 2021 क्लैट में, उन शॉर्ट कमिंग्स को भरने के लिए, जो लूप होल्स रहे उन लूप होल्स को फिल अप करने के लिए ग्रेडअप हैड कम अप विद क्लैट 2022 कोर्स. इट्स अ रिपीटर्स कोर्स एंड इट्स अ बाइलिंगुअल कोर्स. यस गाइस, हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स दोनों ही लैंग्वेजेस में आपको पढ़ाया जाएगा. देयर वुड बी 200 प्लस लाइव क्लासेस, 80 प्लस मॉक टेस्ट, 150 प्लस सेक्शनल टेस्ट एंड 10,000 प्लस क्वेश्चंस. So guys, this course is specifically designed for those students who understand the pattern of CLAT, who understand the syllabus of CLAT. सिर्फ उनको थोड़ा सा शाइन अप करने की, थोड़ा सा पॉलिश करने की और जरूरत है उनके स्किल्स को. Yes, so for that, Gradeup had come up with this course. So all the repeaters, all the droppers, although I have already said this thing, you are droppers, but you are not stoppers because you have decided that you will appear for CLAT again, again and again. हारेंगे नहीं और रुकेंगे नहीं, तो जीत अपने आप मिल जाएगी. CLAT 2022 के लिए it's a perfect course. All the repeaters, it's a perfect course for you. It's a gift for you. Moving forward, there is a CLAT 2022 course as well for all those students who were aiming for CLAT 2022 since the very beginning of this year, जिन्होंने 2021 में appear नहीं किया था. This course is specifically for those students who are going to appear for CLAT 2022 for the first time. It's a comprehensive preparation course, and obviously you will prepare with NLU experts. There are two batches of this course. The first is the English medium batch, and then there is a bilingual batch, bilingual medium batch. Both the batches are going to be full very soon, so reserve your seat now. And as I said, there is no backlog of syllabus right now. The syllabus had just started, the classes have just started. So enroll yourself before it's too late. All right, a student was asking, sir, JMI की cut off क्या होनी चाहिए? Definitely it is going to be above 85. Above 85 होगी. So aim for a 90 plus score to secure a seat. Okay, Mahmood, the expected cutoff for JMI should be at least 85 plus. आप 90 प्लस का एम करके चलें, एंड अगर आपका हंड्रेड्स में स्कोर है देन डोंट वरी, यू विल इजीली गेट एडमिशन. Now, why you should take this course, the CLAT 2022 comprehensive course? Because of these reasons, these pointers are the reason, the benefits, and also the answer to your question that why you should take this course. And moving forward, Mahmood, I have answered this question that what is the expected cutoff of JMI, so you do not need to repeat the question again. Class start करते हैं. The first question is on your screen. सर जेएमआई में 1.5 घंटे का टाइम है. नहीं सौरभ, अब 2 घंटे का हो गया है. सी गाइस, देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन ऑन दिस इशू. सी, जब सबसे पहले एडमिट कार्ड रिलीज हुआ, द टाइम अलॉटेड वाज 1.5 आवर्स फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन, जस्ट लाइक एलर्ट. बट उसके बाद जेएमआई ऑथोरिटीज ने, बिकॉज इट वाज नेग्लिजेंस ऑन देयर पार्ट, उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली एक्सप्लिसिटली कहीं ये बात मेंशन नहीं की थी कि इस बार वो टाइम रिड्यूस कर रहे हैं, 2 आवर्स से घटाकर 1.5 घंटा कर रहे हैं. ऐसा उन्होंने कहीं भी मेंशन नहीं किया था. There was only one thing, that the time slot was for 1.5 hours in the prospectus, but it was implied. It was something that was implied, but they didn't expressly said this thing that the time would be reduced, and that's why they have again increased the time, restored the time to 2 hours only. जैसा हर साल 2 घंटे का एग्जाम होता है, इस साल भी 2 घंटे का ही होगा. The admit card had been updated. All those students जिनके पास पुराना admit card है, please log in to your portal again and download the updated admit card. It would have a exam timing from 10 to 12. It means the examination would be for 2 hours. Okay, Ashutosh, the minimum marks required for MH-CET. Guys, minimum marks तो आपको सोचना ही नहीं है. Ashutosh, the minimum marks, if you want to get entrance, if you want to get admission to a good college, then the minimum marks should be at least, out of 150 you have to score 90 plus. Yes, अगर आपको GLC and ILS चाहिए तो 100 plus definitely. All right, a lot of students have started answering. Shayar is saying A, Ashutosh is saying D, और Creation is saying A. A and D में confusion है students को. So जिन students को A लग रहा है, A and D तो close options भी नहीं है, because here the taxi company is not liable and here the taxi company is liable. So A and D, these are the mixed options. A and D में confusion है, B और C किसी ने भी नहीं कहा है. Let's see the right answer. The right answer is D, guys. The right answer is D. The taxi company would be liable as driving fast should mean driving within the speed limit prescribed by law, and Samar did not consent to an accident. Fast का मतलब क्या होता है? क्या फास्ट का मतलब ये होता है कि स्पीड लिमिट के ऊपर है वो? नो, फास्ट इज अ कंपैरेटिव वर्ड. सो ड्राइविंग फास्ट शुड मीन ड्राइविंग विद इन द स्पीड लिमिट. ये भी हो सकता है ना. रीड द फैक्ट्स. Samar was in a hurry to get to the railway station to catch his train. He hired a taxi by Diamond Taxi Company, a famous one. अब फिर यहाँ पर समर कहता है कि गाड़ी तेज चलाओ, गाड़ी तेज चलाओ. So does that mean कि उसने consent दिया है? Had he given a consent for the injury? Not at all. Neither it was an implied consent nor an explicit consent. That's why the driving company is liable. The right answer is D. It was an easy question. So this principle was from voluntary non-fit injuria, first of all. Voluntary non-fit injuria, where the plaintiff voluntarily consents to the risk, he cannot claim damages. Damages in the language of law is called compensation. आप सभी को पता होगा. So the right answer is D. Moving to question number 2. Guys, question number 2. Robbery is an aggravated form of which of the following offenses? Aggravated means बढ़ा हुआ. You all know that what is aggravated. Robbery is an aggravated form of which of the following offenses? Guys, even if you know the right answer, then two of the options are slightly confusing. So let's see कि आप लोग कितने अच्छे से इंटरप्रेट कर पाते हैं ऑप्शंस को, आप लोग कितने अच्छे से कॉम्प्रिहेंड कर पाते हैं क्वेश्चन को एंड उसके ऑप्शंस को. एंड लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आंसर्ड करेक्टली. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द राइट आंसर. If anybody had any doubt, any query related to the session, किसी भी क्वेश्चन में कोई डाउट लगता है किसी को, वो पूछ सकते हैं. They may ask it in the live chat. I'm constantly keeping an eye on the live chat so that I can answer it. All right, Ashutosh said D. Madhura said A. No, Madhura, A तो close option भी नहीं है. A is not the right answer. B is also not the right answer. C and D में confusion होना चाहिए एक smart student को who the concept जिनके clear हैं उनको C and D में confusion होना चाहिए. And the right answer is C. Robbery अपने आप में कोई offense नहीं है. Robbery is simply an aggravated version of either theft or extortion. Either theft or extortion. But एक टाइम पे दोनों नहीं हो सकते. Option D is saying either theft or extortion or both. This both means कि एक ही टाइम पे एक ही सिंगल एक्ट में रॉबरी भी हो गया एंड एक्सटॉर्शन भी हो गया. Impossible. Either it is theft or it is extortion. It can't be both. All right. It can't be both simultaneously. Simultaneously वो दोनों नहीं हो सकते हैं. That's why the right answer is not D. It is C. All right. Theft क्या होता है? Let me give you an example. अगर मैं किसी के पॉकेट से उसका वॉलेट निकाल लेता हूं with the intention of stealing his money, it is theft. Theft क्या है? If the wrongdoer himself takes out the movable property out of the possession of any person. अगर मैंने किसी के वॉलेट पर से किसी की पॉकेट से उसका वॉलेट निकाला, then it is theft. मैंने अपने खुद के एक्शन से किया. The wrongdoer himself took out the property from the possession. In extortion में I called someone and I said him कि मुझे अपना वॉलेट दे दो, अगर नहीं दोगे then I will do something harmful to you. मैंने सिर्फ धमकी दी. वो इंसान खुद आके मुझे अपना वॉलेट दे के गया. Here the delivery of property. In theft the delivery of property was by action of the wrongdoer, and in extortion delivery of property is by the act of the victim. By act of victim under थ्रेट. जो विक्टिम को डरा कर उसी के हाथों से प्रॉपर्टी की डिलीवरी ली जाती है एक्सटॉर्शन में. जैसे आपने मूवीज में देखा होगा जो गैंगस्टर्स होते हैं प्रोटेक्शन मनी मांगते हैं, हफ्ता वसूली. एंड व्हाट इज रॉबरी? रॉबरी कैन ईदर बी थेफ्ट और एक्सटॉर्शन, एंड एग्रेवेटेड वर्जन ऑफ थेफ्ट और एक्सटॉर्शन. जब भी थेफ्ट या एक्सटॉर्शन में डेथ का, ग्रीवियस हर्ट का, रॉन्गफुल कन्फाइनमेंट का रिस्क जब आ जाता है, देन इट बिकम्स रॉबरी. Like अगर मैं गन पॉइंट पर किसी से कहता हूं that give me the wallet otherwise I will kill you, then it is robbery. It is extortion with it is robbery with extortion. And अगर मैं रात को हथियारों के साथ किसी के घर में घुसता हूं, तिजोरी तोड़ के सामान निकालता हूं, जब वो लोग मिल जाते हैं तो मैं उनको बांध देता हूं रस्सी से उनके घर में, तो ये क्या है? Then it is robbery with theft. So robbery can be either theft or extortion. It's an aggravated version of any of the offense. And dacoity भी अपने आप में एक अलग offense नहीं है. Dacoity is robbery committed by 5 or more persons. So neither dacoity is a separate offense nor robbery. Both are aggravated version of theft or extortion. All right. Moving forward. Sahil, Gradeup has a Telegram account. Gradeup is on Telegram. And yes, you can join by clicking on the link provided to you in the live chats. Anybody who want to join the Telegram channel of Gradeup, the link is there in the live chats. The Gradeup CLAT preparation had provided it. आप इस लिंक को क्लिक करके Gradeup का Telegram channel join कर सकते हैं. And you will have a lot of stuff there. वहाँ पर बहुत सारा मटेरियल मिलेगा, वहाँ पर बहुत सारा आपको गाइडेंस मिलेगा regarding your preparation for a effective preparation. Akshita, it can be 5 or more than 5 people. 5 or more than 5 to make robbery, to make dacoity. All right, question number 3. I have started getting the answers. Our creation is saying A. Karishma is also saying A. Venus is also saying A. Everybody is answering A. Let's see. Here A is the correct answer. A meets B and his child in jungle. A takes the child and threatens to kill him unless B delivers his purse. A has committed which of the following offense? It is absolutely extortion. It is extortion. Alright, it is extortion. Now, question number 4. What is muta marriage in Islam? So, JMI aspirants, we have a question from Islamic jurisprudence. This question is from Islamic jurisprudence, which is absolutely an inseparable part of a syllabus. I started getting answers. Sahil is saying A. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for the right answers for question number 4. All right, our creation is said B. Sharia is also said B. Let's move. Let's wait for some more answers. Karishma also said B. Everyone is saying B. And yes, guys, B is the correct answer. It's a form of temporary marriage in Islam. Muta marriage is a temporary marriage जो एक particular time period के लिए होती है. A specific time period that is specified in the contract. It is specified in the contract. All right. So B is the right answer. It's a temporary form of marriage in Islam. I hope you know that in Islam, marriage is a contract. And contract can be repudiated at any time. तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड का भी हो सकता है कि सिर्फ इतने समय के लिए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होगा. सो मुता मैरिज इज अ टेम्परेरी मैरिज or a contract of marriage which is only for a specific time period, and after the time period is over, the marriage gets dissolved automatically without any divorce. Marriage अपने आप ही dissolve हो जाती है. Question number 5. नहीं आयुष, Islamic law is not a part of your MH-CET syllabus. Although Islamic law के कुछ questions personal law में आ सकते हैं. Personal law is a part of a syllabus, and personal law includes Hindu law and Muslim law. Read the facts and then go to the principle. Dipali is saying, sir, please explain restraint of marriage. Dipali, in contract law, it is specifically written that any agreement that is in restraint of marriage is void. So restraint of marriage means अगर शाद आपकी marriage, every major person is free to marry anyone. हम किसी से भी शादी कर सकते हैं. If there is any contract, अगर आपके साथ कोई भी ऐसे agreement में enter होता है जो आपकी marriage के ऊपर कोई condition लगा देता है, then उस agreement को कहता है that agreement is in restraint of marriage, and then it is void. So restraint of marriage means making any type of condition on the marriage कि आप इसी इंसान से शादी करोगे या फिर इसी डेट को शादी करोगे या इतने टाइम बाद शादी करोगे. Any condition on marriage is restraint of marriage. All right, for this question, everyone is saying C as the right answer. You guys, you all are correct. Y is liable to pay compensation as he is our employer and the accident occurred in the course of employment. Yes, this principle was of vicarious liability. Vicarious liability. What is the legal maxim for vicarious liability? Qui facit per alium facit per se. Yes, qui facit per alium facit per se, which means he who does an act through another is deemed in law to do it himself. इसमें employer employee relationship, principal agent relationship, master servant relationship, partners in a partnership firm, they are all these relationships in which one person is liable for the wrongful act of another. So obviously Y is liable because Y is the employer. Y is liable to pay compensation because he is the employer of R, and the accident occurred in the course of employment. Remember, he is liable only for the torts of his servant, not for the crime of his servant. Okay, moving forward. Question number 6. Read the facts यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल गाइस, सभी ने बिल्कुल सही आंसर दिया पिछले क्वेश्चन का। इसी तरह सही आंसर देते रहिए, आपकी प्रैक्टिस बहुत अच्छे से होगी। एंड यस, इन द एग्जामिनेशन, इन द एक्चुअल एग्जामिनेशन, वहां आप लोग शाइन करने वाले हैं। यू ऑल आर गोइंग टू शाइन, और आपकी शाइन से एग्जामिनेशन आउटशाइन होने वाला है। इट्स अ लिटिल बिट ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन, बट आप इजीली आंसर कर सकते हैं। Okay, I've got two answers, and both Simple and Sudeep are saying C, and Sahil said A as the right answer. So I've got mixed answers. Two students are saying C, and one is saying A. Okay, C and A में confusion है. The right answer is C, obviously. मैंने यहाँ पे नेबा को मार्क भी किया था. Adil was not liable as Y was not his neighbor. Read the facts. Adil, in order to rush towards a moving train at the railway station, pushed Amir. तो आमिर हुआ उसका नेबर. Walking along with a heavy load containing some heavy objects, the push resulted in spilling of the objects from Amir's hand. क्या वो फोर्सी कर सकता था आदिल कि अगर वो आमिर को पुश करेगा तो कोई और इंजर हो जाएगा? Any third person? X is not his neighbor. X is not the neighbor. So Adil was not liable as Y was not his neighbor. Yes, यहाँ पर Y नहीं X होगा. It is just a typing mistake, typing error. So X was not his neighbor, and that's why Adil is not liable towards for the injury caused to X. Question number 7. All right, as I say, पहले facts पढ़ेंगे and then we will move to the principle. Ayush, neighbor means a person who can be directly affected by our act, जो हमारे act से directly affect हो सकते हैं. Yes. The occupier of a premises owes a duty of care to all his invitees and visitors. What should be the right answer? Okay, waiting for the right answers, guys. Everyone is answering B. Every single student has answered B. You all are correct. 100% correct answers मिले हैं इस question के लिए. The right answer is B. Prakhar is liable because the delivery boy entered the premises in performance of his duty to deliver package. So he was a visitor. He was not a trespasser. He was not a trespasser. अगर कोई ट्रेसपासर प्रॉपर्टी में एंटर होता और उसमें गिर जाता, देन प्रखर वुड नॉट बी लायबल. बट हियर द डिलीवरी बॉय इज नॉट द ट्रेसपासर. He is performing his duty, and that's why Prakhar is liable for the wrong caused to the delivery boy. So the right answer is B. Question number 8. What number of witnesses will be required for the proof of any fact? Means किसी भी fact को कोर्ट में, this question is from Indian Evidence Act. Because yes guys, these touch the basics of these laws are also important for your examination. Only the basics, सिर्फ आउटलाइन जाननी है इन सभी की. इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट का बहुत ही बेसिक क्वेश्चन है ये. इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट कहता है कि किसी भी फैक्ट को प्रूव करने के लिए विटनेस चाहिए होता है एंड एविडेंस चाहिए होता है. कितने विटनेसेस की जरूरत है एक ही फैक्ट पर उस फैक्ट को प्रूव करने के लिए, दैट फैक्ट इज करेक्ट. हाउ मेनी विटनेसेस आर रिक्वायर्ड? Simple is answering C as the right answer, means two witnesses with regard to documents. Is it the right answer? Okay, most of you are answering A, that no particular number. Lakshmi, Mayank, Ayush, and Venus, congratulations, you all four of you are correct. The right answer is A. There is no particular number for the witnesses कि इतने witnesses होने चाहिए तभी proof हो पाएगा fact. There is no particular number. Yes, this provision is in I think section 134 of Indian Evidence Act. I'm not sure, but it is section 134 most probably. Question number 9. All right, read the facts, then go to the principle. Read the principle. Variance means variation, change. Subsequent मतलब बाद में, after. विकास योर JMI एडमिट कार्ड टाइमिंग इज शोइंग 2 hours बिकॉज अब 2 hours ही है. 1.5 घंटे से बढ़ाकर वापस से JMI ने 2 घंटे ही कर दिया एग्जाम का टाइम, लाइक द प्रीवियस ईयर्स. पिछले साल तक 2 घंटे था, इस साल भी 2 घंटे ही रहा. मैं ये बात बता चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी इन दिस सेशन ओनली. मैं आप सभी को ये बात क्लियर कर चुका हूँ दैट JMI ऑथोरिटीज हैव डिसाइडेड कि फिर से 2 घंटे का ही एग्जाम होगा. एंड द ओनली रीजन वाज कि उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली कोई नोटिस या नोटिफिकेशन के थ्रू ये बात एक्सप्रेसली स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं बताई थी कि इस बार वो 30 मिनट्स रिड्यूस करने वाले हैं. ऑल्दो उन्होंने अपने प्रोस्पेक्टस में वन एग्जाम टाइमिंग का जो टाइम स्लॉट दिया था दैट वाज 10 AM टू 11:30 AM, वो 1.5 घंटे का था, बट ये इम्प्लाइडली बता रहा है कि एग्जाम शायद 90 मिनट्स का होगा. एक्सप्लिसिटली उन्होंने कोई नोटिफिकेशन नहीं दिया था. इसी गलती की वजह से उन्होंने वापस से टाइम को 2 hours ही कर दिया है. फ्रॉम 10 to 12 is your exam timing on 17th of August. Everyone is answering A, and A is the correct answer. Lalu cannot be held liable since he did not know the change of the nature of Manav's employment. प्रिंसिपल यही तो कह रहा है कि अगर कोई इंसान श्योरिटी है और अगर श्योरिटी के कंसेंट के बिना कोई भी आप चेंज लाते हैं रिलेशनशिप में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की, तो फिर वो जो श्योरिटी है वो डिस्चार्ज हो जाएगा. मतलब उसको वो श्योरिटी पूरी तरह से डिस्चार्ज हो जाएगा किसी भी तरह के ट्रांजैक्शन से जो कि सब्सिक्वेंट होगा, मतलब आफ्टर दैट चेंज होगा. So this transaction is after that change, and that's why Lalu is not liable. Lalu is not a surety now. It was an easy question. A is the right answer for this question. The last question for the day. I would like you to read the facts, then go to the principle. Yes. Facts, and then go to the principle. A sells to B A's daughter who is a minor. Here यहाँ पर ब्रैकेट में लिखा है B is a minor and B is A's daughter. And the principle is mere silence as to facts to affect the decision of a person to enter into a contract is not fraud until and unless that person has a duty to speak or his silence is equivalent to speech. Is equivalent to speech. क्या यहाँ पे इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक कंडीशन है? Analyze it and you will come to the right answer. I have some students were saying C and some were saying D, but the right answer is C. A has not committed fraud. प्रिंसिपल ये आपको एज डॉटर हु इज अ माइनर, ये तो सिर्फ आपको भटकाने के लिए लिखा है. यस yes. ये सिर्फ आपको डिस्ट्रैक्ट करने के लिए लिखा है. ए सेल्स टू बी अ हॉर्स व्हिच ए नोस टू बी अनसाउंड. ए सेज नथिंग टू बी अबाउट द अनसाउंडनेस ऑफ हॉर्स. नीदर ही हैड अ ड्यूटी टू स्पीक नॉर हिज साइलेंस अमाउंटेड टू स्पीच. A has not committed any fraud. Simply apply the principle to the facts, come to the conclusion. Mere silence as to facts likely to affect the decision of a person to enter into a contract is not fraud. सिर्फ साइलेंस फ्रॉड नहीं है. फैक्ट्स में आपको सिर्फ मेयर साइलेंस नजर आ रही होगी, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं आ रहा. In fact, there is mere silence. And mere silence is not fraud. The principal is saying. That's why C is the right answer. A has not committed fraud. फैसल, सी ओबीसी की कट ऑफ जनरल कट ऑफ से अराउंड 5 to 7 मार्क्स कम होगी. ओके, and OBC only denotes Muslim OBC in JMI. For in JMI, the reservation is only for Muslim OBC, SC, and ST, and for Muslim women. I hope you guys know this thing. You all have to aim 90 plus in order to secure an admission. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. A lot of you scored 10 on 10, right? Yes, Lakshmi, it's also a decent score. 6 out of 10, 60% is a good score. सर आर्मी लॉ कॉलेज पुणे कैसा कॉलेज है? बहुत ही अच्छा कॉलेज है. क्लैट एस्पिरेंट 2022. आर्मी लॉ कॉलेज पुणे बहुत अच्छा कॉलेज है. आर्मी का कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन खराब नहीं होता है. यस, सो आर्मी लॉ एएलसी पुणे एज वेल एज एएलसी मोहाली बोथ आर वंडरफुल. बट आई थिंक आर्मी लॉ कॉलेज पुणे में सिविलियंस के लिए एक भी सीट नहीं है. ऑल द सीट्स आर रिजर्व फॉर द वार्ड्स ऑफ आर्मी मैन. इन एएलसी मोहाली, इन आर्मी लॉ स्कूल मोहाली, in Army Law College Mohali, I think there are certain seats, 4 seats, but in Army Law School Pune, there are no seats for civilians. All did well, you all did well, guys. I hope you enjoyed the session. Before ending, I would like to inform you that there is a 2-year program, CLAT 2023 comprehensive course. बैच 3 तो अभी लॉन्च हुआ है. यस, बैच 3, इसका मतलब बैच 1 पूरा भर चुका, बैच 2 पूरा भर चुका. अब आप देखिए कि कितने टाइम पहले से स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. क्लैट 2023 इज 1 year and 10 months अवे फ्रॉम टुडे. 1 साल 10 महीने का टाइम है अभी क्लैट 2023 में. स्टिल 2 बैचेस आर फुली लोडेड एंड थर्ड बैच अभी लॉन्च हुआ है. आई एम डैम श्योर कि थर्ड बैच भी जल्दी ही फिलअप हो जाएगा. सो बिफोर इट गेट्स ओवर, enroll to this batch by enrolling yourself to Gradeup Super. Yes, guys, these are the expert faculties of Gradeup. They themselves are NLU alumni. The only way to get the benefit of their experience and their high intellect is the subscription of Gradeup Super. With this, I shall end CLAT 2022. You are an army person, son. That's great. Then you are absolutely eligible for Army Law School, Pune, and it's a wonderful institution. So go for it. I think Army Law School Pune takes admission through MH-CET. With this, let's end the session, guys. Chandrasekhar, GLC Mumbai is better than a lot of NLUs. Not all of them, but a lot of them. It is better than tier 2 and tier 3 NLUs. All right, guys. Bye bye. Have a great day. Sahi prep है तो live set है. Prepare well and all the best for our examination.